Look, you a charm and inspiration to my dynasty. So baby boy, won't you go and climb on top of me? Sound like an opera when you come and make my chakras sing. Be like Kalani and Cardi, you make me ring. Ain't been together, but you still give me deja vu. So when my line buzz, you know I'm coming straight to you. Okay, you guys, it's your girl Euphoria coming through to finally give you my first official YouTube video, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna do a video doing one of the things that I like to do most. I love installing wigs. If anybody knows me, anybody knows that I wear wigs because I've been going through this thing with my hair this past 2 years where I was cutting it off, growing it, cut it bald, bleached it blonde, platinum out. That'll be in another video. That's another video that's gonna be coming up soon too. I'll show you how I got to this point after about, it's almost been 2 years since I cut my hair off, and I recently had just cut it into this bob for my birthday, and it was another video once again. So, like I said, this video we're going to be installing a wig. Let me take my glasses off because they're giving me this weird glare from the ring light. So yeah, this is like almost 2-week-old hair. I was using edge booster, edge control throughout the time being. This is my favorite from Style Factor, edge booster. It is the sugar melon one. I love this one. But yeah, 2-week-old hair. People may say this still has movement. This is dirty to me. I don't like it. I like my hair to feel bouncy and fluffy. This feels weighted down. So instead of reflat ironing my hair, I want to give my hair a break. I'm going to do some cornrows after I'm going to wash this, deep condition this. While I deep condition this, I'm going to actually dry the wig. So you guys are going to see me wash my, well, you're not going to see me wash my hair because I don't have the go case yet, working up to that point. But you guys are going to see me wash my hair, braid my hair, and then install my wig. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. This is going to be a good video. So yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so I finally finished washing my hair, or shampooing my hair, as us cosmetologists have to say. That's a technical term. So don't mind my fit. I got on my brother's hoodie. Shout out to Frederick Basketball. Anyway, so what I'm doing is parting my hair into 4 sections. As you can see, I am very much natural. I did cut my hair into a blunt cut, and I kind of layered some layers in there, so that's why I'm still able to wear my hair in a natural style. I got a little bit of shampoo in my eyes, guys. Don't mind me. Okay, and as you can see, all you do is take that part all the way down to the nape area, which is just the back of your neck. I.e. here, right here, yep. And then you just go ahead and comb through that. And once you comb through that, you're just going to add some oil into the hair. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And while I do that, I'm going to speed the video up so that you guys can get through this process quicker. And I can, yeah.